Hey, what's up everyone? Aubrey Trades here. Welcome to another pre-market watch list. Going over the top gainer scans and some potential trade ideas for the day. Let's get into it. Well, first of all, to set some context, we got SPY gapping down after a big institutional sell-off into the close. Kind of weird. Again, nervousness around the FOMC meeting coming up, so you know there is going to be some more volatility going on. We got, let's see. We got GRTX on the gainer scan right now, 391, kind of hanging around here on the 10-minute 513 EMA cloud. We'll look at that daily chart. You know, it's kind of a rough daily chart. We got a gap fill, and 391 is right here on that 79 or 7289 EMA cloud. So keep an eye on that. That's going to be a hesitation zone. Maybe we retest that at the open or in the morning. But there is room all the way up to 589. Don't expect it to happen in a straight line though, but it is possible. Mind has a pretty garbage daily chart here, and if we look at the 10-minute, it's kind of selling off a whole bunch. So I don't know, probably a hard avoid. NES, I think it's interesting that it's gapping up, and so if it wants to keep this sort of motion here, right, and we can kind of add like this as a big ol', I would be interested in that. Now, going back to that daily chart, there's still some shelf here to get through. We got to get back into those highs, but once we clear that 350 with some good volume, range really opens up into that 598. So kind of keeping it on watch there. I still like EFOI. I think EFOI has a nice little daily setup here. It's really like continuing to grind higher, setting up for a multi-month breakout over here. We got some levels drawn to keep an eye on, that 538, that 630, and then once we kind of clear that, the range opens up a little bit more. We'll keep an eye on that. I like that it's holding up in the pre here. Bam. So yeah, no, that could look really, really good. We got a nice ascending trend line here. We got some support showing here. So definitely like that. Sigma still looks nice. You got this long descending trend line. It could still kind of have some play here. Bottoms at 321, which is right where this pullback was on day one. So that's really interesting. Blue still hanging up, but it is a bit of a higher float. PTPI is still pretty good, but this one's like pretty choppy. So if you're gonna play it, like set a wide risk on this one. It's just it's difficult. I haven't had the best of luck with it. I kind of keep getting chopped around. You know, it kind of goes and it pulls and it goes and then it pulls. Very strange. BFRI had a nice run to 825 and then kind of gave a lot of it up, hanging around the 672s. Still, I'd say this is still kind of in play. The volume is a little bit lighter and it's a little bit spready, so be careful. And then, yeah, I mean, Ford, AMC, GME, all just amazing put plays. I hope some of y'all took that. Really cheesed at myself for not swinging it longer on my AMC put play. Gosh, now at the 2150s, like this thing's just really deflating. We're in such a risk-off environment right now. I mean, even like Apple almost hit that 3 trillion mark and then sold off pretty heavy. But I mean, this move is pretty extended, so I could see us rotating back down to test that 160s, maybe that 170s. That'd be kind of nice. I called BLDR out for continuation, and it's sort of like going through this consolidation here. It's kind of just keeping an eye on that one. I have no position yet. Marvell sort of rotating back down. Let's look at Oracle, which was a nice earnings win. Still kind of fading down. Let's go to that hourly chart. I might be interested in a call swing based off of maintaining this 3550 EMA cloud on the 1 hour chart. So I might look at that. I like Pfizer's kind of ranging nicely for a continuation. Boom, you know, you got that level at the 5530s. Did kind of break out here in the pre-market, so we'll keep an eye on that. And Oracle are probably my favorite big cap call swing ideas. Otherwise, that's it. I mean, look for continued volatility. FOMC meeting is on Wednesday, and that's where I guess everyone's going to be looking for Powell to give some guidance on the timing of the rate hikes and everything. So just be aware. But that's all I got. Thanks so much for watching. If you got value out of this video, hit that like button. Helps out with the YouTube algorithm. Consider subscribing and let me know in the comments below what other type of content you want to see from this channel. Thanks again. I'm Aubrey Trades. See you in the next video.